Hi, my name is Cameron Weir, and I'm here to talk to you as part of the Bethan Law Firm's video educational series. And today we'll be discussing how to prepare for a personal injury suit.
So Cameron, one of the things you do in any type of personal injury claim is you need evidence to show how the event occurred, typically called a loss. Right?
Absolutely, and the first thing is first, you've got to get documentation of when it happened, and what kind of injuries it caused to you.
And Joe, what are some of the documents that our clients should be looking at? What do they need to gather so we can properly prepare a claim for a personal injury?
Well, first and probably foremost, all medical records and bills. Those are critical to proving up your damages. You need to gather employment records that will show, how much you earned, the number of hours you worked, and things like that, so you can establish your income. You'll also want any accident reports or investigative reports that were compiled as a result of the injury.
Well, Cameron, I'm thinking at the scene of what happened. Let's take a simple car accident. If you have an injury or if you have a fairly significant injury on the road, one of the things I would imagine you must have are photographs.
Absolutely. You want photographs of not only your vehicle and the at-fault driver's vehicle, but you'll probably also want pictures of the scene. If, for instance, it's at an intersection, you want to make sure that you know which way you were headed on that intersection, what kind of view you had of the stoplights, and anything else that might be relevant to the claim.
And weather condition, lighting, those things would be important. Hey, Joe, you talked about medical records. One thing that we need to stress is if you see a doctor, you should go and see a treating physician as soon as possible. I'm talking within 24 hours. Will that be fair?
That's correct. The sooner you see the physician, the better off you are. Juries become skeptical if someone waits 6 months before going to see a doctor about an injury after an accident.
And although a lawyer may refer them to a doctor, I think what juries want to see is that you went and saw a doctor or someone to treat that injury as soon as it occurred.
Absolutely. And also one of the things to consider is that a concussion can't be detected days down the road. So if that is a possibility in your case, make sure that your doctor checks you out for that. One of the other things that you'll also want to find out at the scene is the at-fault driver's insurance information. You want to know who the company that insures him is, you want to know if he knows what the policy limits are, but you also want to know your own insurance. For instance, if you have a policy that has underinsured motorist protection, that might kick in to save you where you are hit by somebody who either doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance.
If the accident is significant and if you come into our office, the more documents you have, the more records of the injury and the insurance, the better it is. Also, information as to the other party. Again, motor vehicle accident, you want the driver's name, you want the company that they work for and their insurance policy, and if possible, let's get a copy of the police report. Thank you for your time today. If you have any other questions about preparing for a personal injury claim, visit us at our website at bethanlaw.com, and we'll talk to you soon.